The perfect evolution is here. January 17th, 2024 is the expected date for the official announcement of the Galaxy S24 series. So much, and I mean so much, came out in last 24 hours. Let's start with what could be the best look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra based on the latest information. And well, everyone was wrong. A lot of people thought that the S24 Ultra will have a design downgrade compared to S23 Ultra, mainly because Samsung is deciding to ditch the curved display. Well, now we know that's not the case. According to iStudiverse, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 40% reduction to its bottom bezel compared to the S23 Ultra, making it possibly the most bezel-less Galaxy flagship ever. This is the rendering he shared compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra's design, and you can see there's a big difference. Even with having a flat display, Samsung is indeed bringing the perfect evolution. I said it before and I'll say it again, Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat display is going to be amazing. What else is amazing is the color lineup for the S24 Ultra thanks to these renders from Phone Arena. This is how official Galaxy S24 Ultra colors could look like, and if you compare this lineup to what we have with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's very obvious that Samsung has more of an exciting color lineup. On top of this, we're going to see some extra exclusive colors online, making the colors even more exciting. Now from the official colors, I will say the yellow color looks pretty amazing. It's called yellow, but it appears more like gold, and it's been years since I used a gold Galaxy S flagship phone. I think the last time was the S7 Edge, so this definitely looks like my early favorite color. Again, let me know which one is your favorite pick in the comment section below. Now apart from having exciting colors, the S24 Ultra is fully on track to have a titanium sides, bringing ultra premiumness as well as a lighter weight. Let's see how Samsung nails the titanium color compared to Apple's implementation. Hopefully everything will be good. Also, we have another amazing news. Like, this is actually really exciting. Introducing Snapdragon Agent 3 for Galaxy. Yes, once again Qualcomm is partnering up with Samsung to make exclusive Snapdragon Agent 3 version. The big change with this chip is that we're going to see a higher clock speed for the GPU, up to 1 GHz. Considering how strong the GPU is on the Snapdragon Agent 3, especially on the base variant, just imagine the amount of graphical power we're going to see on the overclocked GPU on the S24 Ultra. Now the CEO of Qualcomm has officially confirmed once again that majority of S24 series will be rocking Snapdragon Agent 3 for Galaxy. This basically confirms that the Exynos 2400 will be powering some of the S24 and S24 Plus variants in selected markets, namely Asia, Europe, and South Korea. So that's all for this video. The design is looking amazing. Snapdragon Agent 3 Galaxy is coming, as we can confirm through our best sources. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, I am super excited. Be sure to subscribe so that I keep you guys updated with all the info. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.